ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will awaken your taste buds and fill your home with warmth and nostalgia. Our homemade apple pie spice recipe is the secret ingredient that elevates your dessert to a whole new level of deliciousness. Into our bowl, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cardamom. Now we're going to whisk these ingredients together. You're going to want to store your apple pie spice recipe in an airtight container. So either a little mason jar or a spice jar. I have a little mason jar that I'm going to use. And then I have my little funnel here. All right, now I can put my lid on. I'm going to put a label on this and then it will be going into my spice cupboard.